Locked in a room and gripped by withdrawal symptoms. These drug addicts are detoxing at one of Vietnam's compulsory rehab centres. There are about 130 such facilities across the country, where drug use is on the rise. Critics brand them glorified prisons, but they are widely supported in Vietnam, even by addicts.
In the past, when I didn't take any heroin, I felt very uncomfortable. My limbs were so weak. But 2 weeks after I came to this centre and went through withdrawal, then I felt much better.
Some users are picked up and sent here by police, others by relatives. Between 2014 and 2016, the centres treated more than 65,000 people. Hooked on heroin and methamphetamine, they're put to work as part of a labour therapy scheme, which officials insist helps to cure their addictions. But relapse rates are as high as 80%, and rights groups say they are held against their will. They accuse managers of making money from boarding fees or by outsourcing labour to nearby farms and factories. Some former users also say they were beaten by guards.
In their minds, we were like dogs. Even worse, because people have some love for dogs. We had no rights at all. We weren't even allowed to eat or speak.
The government has started to reform the centres and offer different treatment models. That includes setting up drop-in methadone clinics for heroin addicts, a change in tack some are wary of.
The compulsory rehab model is for addicts who have criminal records or are heavily addicted to synthetic drugs and have mental issues. It's very hard to manage them outside the centre, and it's very unlikely that they will come into the centre voluntarily.
For now, these rehab centres are still the main option for Vietnam's growing number of drug addicts.